Yo, I'm back with another story for y'all. Today is the Bonfire Night 1 to celebrate late Guy Fawkes Day. Anyway, let's go! So we're waiting for Grandma and Grandpa to come. And then after that, we were super ready to get in the car. And I was super ready for the bonfire. I don't know how long it takes to get here, but I'm just gonna say about 9 minutes. Probably? I don't know. We got there, Leon asked me if I was hungry, and I started to say yes. We got there, and we said hi to everybody. And I felt a bit bored, so I decided to go inside, I guess. Anyway, as I got inside, I watched some challenge TV. There were some pretty good programs on there. Oh yeah, and we decided to cook food also. So I just had pizza, and everybody else somehow had hot dogs. I ate my food, and then nipped outside again. So I got outside, and then everybody had none other than Dogwood sparklers. And yes, me, Neil, and Greasy didn't have sparklers. Because 1, Neil needs to look after me, 2, I'm scared of it, and 3, Greasy's too little to have them. I actually did have time for more food, so I went inside again. Yes, I decided to watch
more challenge because I'm bored. More pizza because I'm bored.
When I eat my dinner, I get to have a cookie, and before I gone, we decided to watch fireworks. Outside.
Because I'm bored.
No, I wasn't bored. I was really hungry. And yes, before we all had the nacho chips, we decided to watch the pretty cool fireworks. They were pretty cool.
Other than sparklers.
We ate the nacho chips. They were pretty salty, but they were good. Not gonna lie, but I think that was the
prettiest long story.
in my opinion. Bye.